Hi, I'm Lauren. Welcome back. It's day 136, and I'm starting with a little self-care on the floor while I make coffee. I'm doing a lot of things on the floor now. I like it a lot. I've kind of switched a lot of things over so that I am sitting on the floor and all of my stuff is accessible on the floor. So I really like it. Anyway, what I did was I shaved my forearms. And I do that sometimes, not because my arms are really hairy, but the hairs that I have, I just don't want to look at them. I don't know what my problem is with that, but it's nice to have nice hair-free arms. Now, here's a little story. I started to draw something, and I never know ahead of time what I'm going to draw. I just start drawing. But today I had music on, and I just couldn't do it. I had to turn the music off because I couldn't come up with an idea for this square. So it's, sorry, it's the lamest square I've ever drawn. But the good news is I know why, and I can fix that. While I was on the floor, I also have some of these bamboo boxes. They're small and the tops kind of flop over. And I bought them when I first moved here, and I was putting bits and pieces in there. And so while I was also having my coffee, I started pulling these boxes out and just kind of cleaning them out, throwing some stuff away, just kind of getting them organized. So now they're nice and tidy again, and I can just check that off on my mental list of things that I have rolling around in my head. Tomorrow I am going to Utrecht, and I'm going to take my cameras and my tripod, I think, and there's a really great library there that I want to go check out. It used to be the old post office, and it's just supposed to be a spectacular building. So I definitely want to get some pictures of that. So I'm starting to pack up my train stuff, the things I'll need to take with me on the train, taking my headphones and my sunglasses, and let's see what else, my tripod, my phones. I have 2 phones. I can take lots of pictures, a power bank. I'm taking some of those little polyester or whatever they are, bags that fold up really small, but then you open them up and they're a large size for shopping. So I have a couple of those, and I am taking my sun hat in case it gets really crazy. I don't think it will, though. It's supposed to be pretty nice. So I'm taking these things and maybe a few other things, and I'll just find things to eat and drink while I'm there. So that is simple. And then I made a little mistake today. I don't do this very often, but once a year or so I do this. When I make my coffee, I do pour overs, and now I'm using these little cups. And if I'm busy and I'm doing something else while I'm making the coffee, sometimes I forget to check and not put too much water in the filter. And so that's what I did today. I wasn't paying attention, and I just kept putting water in there, and before long it overflowed. So, as always, I'd like to know what you're doing today. Leave a message in the comments.